There is a new functionality here that has been released called as task, and this is something that is new, and you can get it here in your GPT if you have a paid version, the scheduled task. So I have played around with this. You have to make sure you have this option here, the task beta. How you can do this is you can ask it to do a specific task like schedule a task to get apple price every day at 11:22 p.m. I'm just giving an example, GST. So this is something that can really happen. This is something that you can really do. Yeah, so and there is a limit of, you can have up to 10 tasks. So I'm playing around this for a whole day, so let me just delete some of them to show all of you. Yeah, so one task is scheduled today at 11 p.m. that I wanted to show you. So another task, if you can see, like scheduled at a particular time, it is going to show this particular image. And also let me go back to the task. So you can mention here schedule task as a scheduled task. Let me copy the same thing, and what is going to happen, this is going to yeah, so this is happening daily, but this is set for every day at daily at 11:22 p.m. But this is not going to happen today. This is going to happen tomorrow. Or let me just do edit 11:20, delete, view all task. I wanted to let you guys know this schedule 24. This is something interesting. Let us see, schedule a task to get 11:25 a.m. So what happens that you are also going to get an email like this, if you can see, for the task update. So you'll get a task update, make a happy image, and then you can see that message. This is also a good functionality. You'll get an email to your this thing. So let us see if this works. So now daily at 11:25 a.m. I will let you know the task. So let us see, this is going to happen in 1 minute. So this is a new functionality. It's very good. It is one of the baby steps towards automation. You can set up tasks like what I have done is for LinkedIn strategy, LinkedIn post strategy, get all the technology news every day at a particular time. So you get a reminder to, then this work is going to get done. So all these things, this reminders is going to happen, and it's going to help you guys. That is there. So this is a good feature. And now it will just take a couple of minutes to do this. You will also get a email from OpenAI that this thing is done. Yes, can you see today's Apple stock price? So you can get this message, but for me right now it is see, so as of January, so it gave me the price of Apple. So it you had to refresh it. You have to go to the email, open it. So every day at this time I am going to get the price of Apple on my browser. So this is something that is very, very helpful for all your work that you can do, and you can schedule, and it's going to send you an email. Then you can see the message, or if you have, there is an option of ChatGPT notification. So if I open ChatGPT here, there is an option to put the notification that is there on ChatGPT, and you can get that specific answer as well on your mobile. So it's not only email but also notification is going to help me. So this amazing feature of tasks, I think right now there are up to 10 tasks that you can do, you can schedule, and or else you need to keep deleting the older tasks that are there, and play around with this particular thing, strategize it, use it in a more professional manner. I feel that there is a lot of use cases. Please put some of your use cases that are there in the chat, and let's take it forward. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.